This is an emergency from the United States government. Just recently from her navigate of civilian life and death. To on this blessed, but it's so danger of outside. See the world of end up of her life at war from infection to do now. Please for waiting for US to keep on photo. This most was infection is Texas, California, Florida, Ohio, North Dakota, and all the province, but all still was save. With that mean I said Texas, North Dakota, Ohio, California, and do all was an infection from zombie virus. You must evacuate now. Local police will do shoot all zombie virus. Please do evacuate now. This is not a drill. Please for waiting for information to do. This is emergency from the United States government. We realize that means to him for remain calm. At this time, all police will come for evacuate people from infection zombie to do now. Please do calm down. We forgive you and all for us.